Hello, so this is a current topic that we are doing under our online lessons. So this is metallic bonding, and I want us to discuss through this wonderful question. The question is saying magnesium as a metallic bonding. This is a nice question. The first question you need to have before we answer this particular question, you need to ask yourself, what is metallic bonding? So basically, metallic bonding is just some kind of covalent bonding, but not really that. So, but if you're doing all levels, you need to just understand that metallic bonding is just the attraction between the positively charged metal ions and the free electrons in a metallic lattice. And a lattice is just a geometric structure of a crystalline solid. This is what you need to understand. The first question here, they're telling us to say, describe with the help of a labeled diagram the metallic bonding of magnesium. So they want us to describe with the help of a diagram the metallic bonding of sodium. How then do we show the metallic bonding of sodium? This is something that is so simple. So what you need to do, you just need to write these atoms like this. You write these atoms. These are atoms. These are atoms like this. These are atoms like this. You can put them in something like this. You can do this. So this is what we are calling a what? This is what we are calling a metallic lattice. This is what you are supposed to know and understand. And aside that, we also need to understand that the correct charges that are in these atoms, you discover that these are 2 plus, I put 2 plus there. These are the correct charges of magnesium what? A bonding, which is a metallic bonding of magnesium 2 plus, because for magnesium to be stable it must lose 2 electrons. Then these are surrounded by these electrons, so they've got what? Electrons. These are negative electrons, so these electrons are what? Negative. So you can say these are what? These are positive ions, so those ones are called positive ions. Then we've got these ones. These are what we are calling what? Delocalized. So delocalized electrons. This is what you need to understand. We call them delocalized what? Electrons. This is something you are supposed to know. So I want you to understand this. I want you to know this. And those of you that are interested in starting lessons with me, just after this particular lesson, you are supposed to get the numbers. I'm going to put my details so that you join my classes. The next question is saying that explain why. So explain, they were supposed to be why. Explain why magnesium conduct electricity. The reason why magnesium conducts electricity, because it is made up of delocalized valence electrons. So I'm going to say the reason why magnesium conducts electricity, because it is, so say because it is made up of delocalized. So it is made up of delocalized electrons. Delocalized what? Electrons. This is what you are supposed to know. So these are certain things you need to get. So let's make chemistry simple together by helping you people join my online lessons. I help you, if not only chemistry, but even physics, mathematics, biology. I'm here to help you make that possible. You get a distinction. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this number. I'm here to help you get a distinction. So this is a wonderful question. Hope you've revised through this. So you need to go through metallic bonding even as you get to prepare for your exams. This is a wonderful question. Thank you so much for your time. I guess you've learned 1 or 2 things. And you get to have questions where they ask you about properties. You need to understand that some properties of metals is that metals are malleable. It means they can be hammered into sheets. We say metals are ductile. They can put into thin wires. They've got thermoconductivity, which means they conduct heat and electricity. Metals are lustrous, meaning that they've got a shiny appearance. This is what you are supposed to know. So you also need to understand that these electrons, these which we are calling delocalized electrons, they don't move in the same direction. They move in different directions. And the way, if we want to change the direction of that, we have to introduce what we call a voltage. We have to put a cell that will help us change the direction of the electrons. So this is what you are supposed to know. These are certain things you need to know and understand. So let's revise through together chemistry. We make it simple together. So make sure you follow me up. Text me on this number. Only people that wants to join me. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel or Facebook page. Thank you.